Hello friends, welcome to my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today in my video I am going to show you how you can get glowing beautiful skin just in 1 week. The ingredients and preparation is so simple that you can do it anytime you want. So my first ingredient is lemon, my second ingredient is sugar, and my third ingredient is aloe vera gel. So at first I am going to take a slice of lemon and I am going to put aloe vera gel in it. After that, rub it for 5 minutes on your hand. Friends, do not squeeze the lemon while rubbing. You can apply this pack on your hands, legs, face or anywhere you want. Rub it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash it off with water. Friends, in this same video, I am going to show you another remedy which is very simple. This remedy will also give you a natural glow within 1 week. So my second remedy is, into a slice of lemon, put sugar on the lemon and rub it on your hands very gently for 10 minutes. While rubbing the lemon, squeeze the lemon juice so that you get good results. Apply this tip on your face for 1 week. You will notice the change just from the first use. Gently rub it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash your hand with normal water. Use any one of the remedies for 1 week daily and then see the results just in front of your eyes. After that, pat dry your hand. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video. And do not forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing natural beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.